In today's video, I'll be giving you guys an update on the $50,000 that I invested into 5 low cap gems. I will show you exactly what each position is worth right now, and most importantly, where I took some profits. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And if you are looking for some awesome low cap gems that have like 10x potential, 50x potential, check out the KuCoin link below. I believe KuCoin is one of the best exchanges out there. They have a ton of low cap gems that have a ton of potential. Also, KuCoin, there's no KYC for all my New York people out there. And best of all, they have a ton of other awesome features such as futures trading, lending, staking, and a ton of other benefits. So make sure you check out KuCoin in the description box below. And now let's jump straight into the video. So as you guys know, I invested $50,000 into 5 low cap gems, and 2 of them have done extremely well so far. The other 3 are in the profit, but not as much as Lossless and Safe Haven. Lossless was up almost 200% since 2 days ago, and Safe Haven is up like 60-70%. Right now they are experiencing a little pullback, but I believe the uptrend is going to continue as we get deeper into the second leg of this bull run. And now let's go straight to the spreadsheet so we can break down all the numbers. Let's go. Alright, so now we are inside the spreadsheet, and here are the 5 coins that I purchased: Safe Haven, Lossless, Algorand, PokerStarter, and Constellation. Also, $10,000 invested in each at these prices right here, and this is the amount of coins that I have received. Alright, so day 1 we did pretty well, almost made $6,000 in profit. But on day 2 we did even better. All of our investments are now in the green. Constellation went from $9,200 to over $11,000. PokerStarter went from $9,800 to just over $10,000. Algorand made a comeback from $9,700 to over $10,000 as well. Lossless went from $16,273 to $11,161. That is after I took some profits. And finally, Safe Haven went from $10,800 to over $14,600, which is pretty amazing. So now the coins that we are holding are worth $57,038. But that is after we took some profits. So as you can see right here, I sold some Lossless. I pretty much sold 5,309 coins at the price of $1.93. for a total return of $10,246. So I pretty much took out my initial investment from Lossless, and I still have over $11,000 left. But if you guys have been following Lossless, you would have seen that it almost reached $3 per coin. And at that time, my $10,000 was close to $30,000. But I still did not take any profit. I was feeling the FOMO. I was feeling a little bit greedy, and I kept holding on. And then when I woke up this morning, it dropped down, and my $10,000 was now only worth like $21,000 or $22,000. So I decided to take out my initial investment and then let the rest ride. I still believe Lossless has a ton of potential, and hopefully in the next 3 months, when we are experiencing this amazing altcoin run that we are about to have, the $10,000 that I have left in Lossless will become like $100,000 or more. I think it is definitely possible with this coin. And right here is the profit that I have taken. This will be updated every time I sell something, and the total value. This is how much my positions are worth right now. So $57,000 in the coins that I'm holding, and then $10,000 in USDT. This brings me to a total value of $67,285.26 from the initial $50,000 that I invested 2 days ago. Right now, I'm super excited to see where these positions are going to take me and how high they will actually go. So going forward, I will definitely stick to my original strategy, pretty much to take out my initial investments from all 5 of these low cap gems. And then I will have moon bags of all 5, and then I will let those ride for the rest of this bull market and hopefully make a ton of money in the process. Guys, FOMO is real. Every single one of us feels it. Personally, when I saw Lossless pumping and my $10,000 going to 10, 15, 20, 25 to almost 30,000, I was definitely feeling the FOMO. At any time I could have sold, taken out some profits, and then let the rest ride. But that greed got to me. So hopefully going forward, I will not be making that mistake. So there you go, an update on the 5 low cap gems that I invested in. I will probably make another video in probably 2 to 3 days, depending on how the market goes. And if I end up selling something, I'll make a video that day letting you guys know that I sold and I took some profits. So keep out for those videos. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember, I am not a financial advisor. Do not take this as financial advice. Low cap gems can definitely make you a profit, but they are also extremely risky. So keep that in mind. And as always, check out the links in the description box below and see you in the next video. Peace out.